Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I Sangram Singh from class 11, a student of Techno India Group Public School Konnagar, is going to discuss on the topic given to us by CBSC. So basically the topic of our project was to create a 3D model of a drone, and the purpose of this video is to explain the viewers the usage and give them the 360-degree overview of the drone. So let's take a look on the model. So as we can see, we are switching on the switch of this drone. It is flying. So finally our drone has a cute name called Drona. So let's now discuss about the problems faced by normal rural children in our India, and also the problems which our drone is going to fix. So after some analysis, we came to a conclusion that local transportation is a problem in rural India, and this in turn affects the education potential. That is, education is not being departed in its full potential to each and every rural region consisting of villages in our nation. And also we see that good schools are located in cities which are far away from the villages, and this can deter parents from sending their children to the schools. So, and also in the rural areas, uh, the schools lack good faculty, and also they lack in infrastructure, which in turn causes the quality of education to be poor. So this creates a gap between the children and the education, and there are also some several minor issues like electricity and water supply, etc. So to bridge this gap, our Drona has some possible solutions which can fix these issues. We are enough of problems now. Now let's see that how Drona is gonna tackle these problems. So to tackle these problems, Drona is fitted with a projector which is gonna project any video on white screen, and it also has a Wi-Fi catcher system which would connect the teachers from the nation with the students, and it is also fitted with GPS trackers. So it has a potential to teach 100 students in one place, and there wouldn't be any problem as it's fitted with a support, and which it would prevent the drone from deviating from one place to other. And for the power supply, it's fitted with a solar panel, and also it is fitted with a high voltage battery which can be recharged from solar power. So it's a type of eco-friendly drone, and the the procedure that we have to just follow is to keep it recharging in the day, and when it's fully recharged we can study in day in a dark place, or else students can study in night by sitting outside their houses in a group and studying. And for making this process more efficient, NGOs can be set up nearby the village, which would also be a non-profit group, and the teachers would be connected to these NGOs, and also the drones would be sent to different villages to teach different classes, and Wi-Fi towers could also be erected to give an uninterrupted flow of Wi-Fi signals so that there is no disturbance during class times. So this was the solution that the drone would probably give, and That's all.